Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for plus set and set. The TypeError unsupported operand types for plus, set and set occurs when you try to use the addition operator plus to combine two sets in Python. The addition operator is not supported for sets because sets are unordered collections of unique elements, and the order of elements in a set is not guaranteed. To combine sets, you should use the union method or the vertical bar operator. Here's an example. When you run this type example code, then you will get this error. In the above example, we have two sets, set 1 and set 2, and we want to combine them into a single set. Using the plus operator results in a type error. However, we can use the union method or the operator to successfully combine the sets into a new set, set 3, containing all the unique elements from both set 1 and set 2. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.